Chapter 14 is Statistics Part 1. So this is a very important chapter. Very easily you can get marks from this chapter. Understand? So very easy and very interesting also. Yeah. Only few formula you have. Understand? But here numerical calculation you have to do very correctly. Understand? Like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Correctly if you do means very easy. This chapter is very easy. Clear? Being a 10th class students, you should not commit any mistakes while doing multiplication, while doing addition, subtraction, division. Clear? Should not do any mistake being a class 10th student. Okay, so carefully you have to do. So here what mean, and mean means what arithmetic mean. You can say arithmetic mean or average or x bar for ungrouped data. Clear? Average you know very well. Clear? You can find out your average of the marks. Clear? Suppose 5 subject marks you have means you can easily find out the average. How much percentage. Clear? Average you can easily find out. Understand? If you find out average means then you can find out the percentage. Clear? That is average. How will you find out means we have the formula, that is sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. Sum of all the observation means suppose you have 5 subject marks means add all the 5 subject marks, then divided by total number of subjects. Total number of subjects here 5 divided by 5, that is total number of observations. Here observation is considered as marks. Clear? Marks you consider as observations, and the total number of observations, then that is 5 subject means 5 subject you write, 6 subject means 6 subject you have to write. Clear? So this is ungrouped data. Simply you are collecting the data marks from your class friends. You collect a mark and you can find out the average. That is x bar. You can say mean, you can say average, you can say arithmetic mean. Clear? Like this. So x bar equal to, in symbolic form you can write. In 10th class you try to write in the symbolic form. Okay? In lower class you studied mean means sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Now in 10th class you have to write in the symbolic form, that is x bar equal to sigma. Sigma is summation symbol. Clear? Sigma represent what? Summation symbol. Okay. Summation means finding the totals. Clear? This sigma is I equal to 1 to n x suffix i divided by n. N is number of observation. N is number of observation. Clear? Here when I gets 1, what is the meaning of this symbol means when I gets 1, x1, okay, x1 we get. Sigma means operation, summation operation, plus, sum means plus. When I gets 2, x2, clear? When I gets 2, x2, then sum, sigma means plus. When I gets 3, x3, clear? X3. When I gets 4, then x4. Like this it will go on. When I gets n, xn. Yes, divided by total number of observations. Now how many there? N observations. So divided by n. N is number of observation. N is number of observations. Understand? So now we will see some example. You see, find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. You know prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? First 5 prime numbers are. 5 primes are. Primes means prime numbers. Okay, primes are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Right? Okay, so prime number means what? Exactly what? Having 2 factors, 1 and itself. Clear? Understand? It is prime number means a number is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, that is prime number. So like that number you write 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. All other numbers are composite numbers. Okay, composite number means having more than 3 factors. 2 and 3 not having more than 2 factors. Clear? It has exactly what? 2 factors. Clear? That's why they are not composite number. Composite number is starting from 4 only. Clear? 4 only. So 1 is neither prime nor composite, because 1 is having only one factor. Okay, so prime number means exactly 2 factor. Prime number means exactly 2 factor, but 1 is having only one factor. Okay, 1 is a factor only. That's why 1 is neither prime nor composite. Clear? You remember that. So now for this, you have to find out the average, that is x bar equal to add all the numbers 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 by how many there? 2, 4, 5 there, divided by 5. That is equal to 5, 10, 17, 28 by 5. That is equal to 5 times 5 times will go divided by, okay, 5 times will go, then remainder 3, that means 5.6. So the average, that is x bar, mean is 5.6. Understand? Understand mean. Mean is 5.6. Therefore, mean is, the question is find the mean. Therefore, mean is 5.6. Understand? Like this, easily we can find out the ungrouped data. This one is ungrouped data. Clear? Ungrouped data. So next we will see that grouped data. See, ungrouped data, so we have some more examples also, so many examples. Find the mean of prime numbers between 30 and 50, like that also they will ask. Okay, 30 and 15, all the prime numbers you should add, then find out the mean. Clear? I will give it as homework. Okay, like that you can find out find the mean of first 10 natural numbers. Okay, then find the mean of first 5 composite number. Clear? So like this they will ask. I will give it as homework. Okay. So this ungrouped data you might have studied in 7th class, 8th class, 9th class also you studied. Okay, so that you just recall the formula. But in 10th class you have to write in symbolic form. Okay, the formula you have to write symbolic form, right? Now we will see the mean of grouped data. Okay, if x1, x2, x3, xn are observations. Clear? Like same ungrouped data, how you have taken observation. But here with respective frequencies you have to take. Okay, with respective frequencies, because same data may be repeating. Clear? Maybe repeating. That time we have to take the frequencies, that is f1, f2 up to fn. Clear? Okay, that means observation x1 occurs f1 times. Suppose one data is 10. 10 occurs 5 times, means 5. Clear? f1 is 5. x1 is 10, f1 is 5. Okay. Instead of writing 5 times, clear? 5 times, we can make the group. We can make the group. Same data repeating 5 times. So that we are using the frequencies. Okay. x1 occurs f1 times, then x2 occurs f2 times, and so on. Clear? Therefore, the mean is x bar. Mean is x bar equal to. So we have to the number of times we have to multiply. That is f1 into x1 plus f2 into x2 and so on. f3 into x3 and so on. fn into xn. Last n data there means fn into xn. Okay, divided by total number of frequencies. Okay, total number of observation, that is total number of frequencies. If you add means you will get total number of observations. Okay, that is f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus up to fn. Understand? Like grouped ungrouped data only. Grouped data we are making the group. Clear? Repetition data we are grouping, and how many times that is repeated, that we are writing, and then we are finding the total. For multiplying we are and adding, we are finding the total. Clear? Therefore, the same thing in the symbolic form we can write in mathematical form. Clear? That is x bar equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n sigma fi xi. That means when I gets 1, f1 into x1. Sigma means plus operation. Sigma is the operation, that is plus. When I gets 2, f2 x2. When I gets again sigma means plus. Again I gets 3, f3 x3. Sigma means plus. Clear? It is going on. When I gets n, fn xn. Okay, divided by Then same way here, I equal to 1 to n, sigma I equal to 1 to n f5. Okay, f5. So I gets 1, f1. Sigma means plus. When I gets 2, f2. Sigma means plus. It is going on. When I gets n, fn. Clear? So this is a symbolic form. The same thing simply what we can write it as sigma x bar equal to sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi. That I equal to 1 to n is understood. Okay, I equal to 1 to n is understood. Simply we can write like that. Okay, always I equal to 1 to n will come in general. Clear? That is understood. That's why simply we can write like this also. No problem. Now we will see one example. Find the mean of the following data. See, that is given the problem. Marks given 10 mark, 20 mark, 30 mark, 40 marks, 50 mark. Okay, that category there. So here number of students, that is 10 marks taken 2 students. Clear? 20 marks taken 5 students. 30 marks taken 8 students. 40 marks taken 12 students. Then 50 marks 3 students taken. Clear? Like that. So for that we have to find out the mean. How to find out means according to the formula. Okay, we need fi into xi. How to find out? Okay, product is how to find out. Okay, therefore you write that marks means xi. That is marks means xi. Marks means xi. Number of students means fi. Number of students means frequency fi. Right. Then we have to find out fi into xi. Fi into xi we have to find out. Right. Now you write 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Now fi is 2, 5, 8, 12, 3. Now just to multiply 20. Okay, this one 100. This one 24 means 0. Now this one 48. Then 10. Okay, 150. So like this you multiply, that's all. Okay, fi into xi means just to multiply these two. And right now sigma means total. We have to find out. We need a sigma fi. Okay, sigma fi means total. This total find out. That is 0. Okay, the total you have to find out. Understand? Add all these things, that is sigma fi xi. So here 13, 17, 19, carry 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 990. Right, total is 990. This total find out. 15, 23, 23, 30. This total is 30. Right. That means total number of students 30 you have. 10 mark, in which 10 marks scored how much? How many students? 2 students. 20 marks scored 5 students. 30 marks 8, 40 marks 12, 50 marks 3, like that. For that we are finding the what? Average, that is mean. Means this is the tabular column. Here you have to put the tabular column. Now x bar equal to, write the formula, x bar equal to sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. That is equal to, this is only what? This is only sigma fi into xi. This is okay. So 990. This one sigma fi, that is 30. Okay, all total of what fi is sigma fi. Then sigma means total. Now here all total of fi into xi is called 990. Okay, so cut it means 3 table it will go 3 times and 3 times. That is 33. So the average of this these marks is 33 for how many students? 30 students, right? Like this you have to calculate for mean of group data. Clear? Group data, this is the formula. Understand? So thoroughly you have to practice. Okay. So next we will see the group data for continuous interval. Group data for continuous interval. Okay, group data for continuous intervals. So 0 to 10 you take. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. You see it is continuous. Clear? It is continuous. 0 to 10, next 10 to 20, then 20 to 30. It is continuous. You see. Okay, then 30 to 40. Okay, these are called continuous interval. Okay, suppose some interval 0 to 9, 0 to 9, then 10 to 19, then 20 to 29. These are not continuous interval. You have to make continuous interval. Clear? So here it is given continuous interval. Continuous interval means it will end 10 means again it will start same number. Okay, 10 again you see ending starting like that. That is continuous interval. Okay, here you see 0 to 9 but starting 10. Clear? Then 19, then 20, 29. They are not continuous. You can make continuous interval. Okay, if you get this like this number, when interval means in lower limit 0.5 you have to subtract. In upper limit 0.5 you should add. Means you will get continuous. You will get continuous. Okay, they will give one. So 0.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to what 19.5, 19.5 to 29. Continuous interval easily will get. Okay, like this they will give. Understand this interval to make continuous interval easily. From these intervals we can make continuous. Understand? Clear? So these are the continuous intervals. So in the interval 20-30, you see 20-30, this is called the lower limit. This lower limit. This is called lower limit. Then this 30 is called upper limit. Upper limit. So we can find out the class mark or mid value. We can say mid value or midpoint. Class mark or mid value or midpoint. So class mark means upper limit plus lower limit 4 divided by 2. Both the limits you have to add divided by 2 means correctly we will get the midpoint or mid value. You see 20 class mark of 20-30 means add divided by 2 25. Correctly midpoint we will get, mid value we will get. Okay, correctly we get midpoint or mid value. Understand? Now we will see some problems. Find the mean of the following data. You see in the data class interval given, grouped data for class intervals it is given. Okay, so that you write 0 to 10 marks, 0 to 10 2 students, 10 to 24 students, 20 to 30 8, 30 to 40 10, like this data given. So for that you have to find out the mean. So how will you find out? This is class interval. So class, simply write class. This 0 to 10 you write. Okay, then 10 to 20 you write, then 20 to 30 you write, then FI you write. Clear? FI you write. Now XI is what? Mid value you have to find out. Both added divided by 2 means 5. Mid value is correctly 5 will get. Here 15. Here mid value is 25. Here mid value is 35. Here mid value is what? 45. Understand? 45. Okay. Now these two multiply. So this one easily you can find out. Okay. That is what size, class size. Class size means what? This is class size. That is you subtract lower upper limit minus lower limit means class size you will get. That is 10. Here 10. Here 10. Here 10. 10. Class size. All class size is 10 means when you first one you find out the class mark. From that you add 10. That class size you add means you will get. Automatically you will get. Understand? That is the beauty. Now these two multiply. FI, XI you have to find out. These two multiply means 10 here. This one multiply means 15 into 460. 8 into 25 200. This one 350. This one 6 into 45 30 270. Now you have to calculate the total. Clear? You have to find out the total of this. Total find out. Okay. Total we need. What is the formula for x bar? That is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi. Clear? So sigma fi we need. Sigma fi means this is okay. Now this total not required. We need sigma fi only. So this one only. Okay. This total is 10, 20, 30. So this total you write 890 by 30. So 0, 13, 3 table easily you can divide. 2 time will go, remainder again to 29, 9 time will go, remainder again to 27, 9 3s are 27, 29 coming, so remainder 2 means 20 means 6 time will go, again 6 time, again 6 time it is going, so approximately you write 29.67 you write. Okay, so third digit is what? 5 more than 5 means the previous digit you add 1, that means 29.67 is the mean. Therefore, mean for the above data is, therefore mean is 29.67. This is the answer. Okay, understand, very simple. This is called what? Grouped data for continuous interval. Okay, so mean of grouped data for continuous interval. How to calculate the mean for continuous interval? Understand? Like this problem only you will get in the exams. Okay, even in 9th class also you might have studied this one. Okay, just to recall that. So this method is known as what? Direct method. This is called direct method. Okay, you have deviation method and a step deviation method is there. Clear? So more important is step deviation method. That is called shortcut method. Okay, the direct method and the shortcut method only more important. Okay, I will teach the deviation method also. Clear? So next we will see the Asymptotic Mean method or deviation method. It is called deviation method. So x bar equal to a plus sigma fi into di divided by sigma fi. What is a means Asymptotic Mean. Then di you know about fi. Clear? Fi is frequencies. Now this di equal to what? Xi minus a. You know xi. Xi means what? Observations. Clear? Now it is given in the class interval. Clear? When you have to use this Asymptotic Mean method or deviation method means when the observations, clear, this class are very high number, okay, huge number, clear. That time if you use means then it will be very easy. Otherwise you can use direct method itself, right? So now it is given class you write as usual, then fi you write, then xi is as usual you have to find out the mid value. Xi means mid value. So what is the mid value? Both add by 2 means 10. Then class size is what? 20 here. So 20 add means 30. 30 again 20 add means 50. Again 70. 90. Right? You will get that is mid value. 0 and 20 mid value is 10. 20 and 40 mid value is 30. How you are getting? Both add divided by 2 means you will get, right? Now you have to assume the center value. Clear? Assume the center value. That is for our convenience. You can use any value as assumed mean. Clear? Even 10 also you can assume. 30 also assume. Okay. Center one if you assume means okay, it will be easy for simplification purpose. Okay. Understand? Value will be reduced. Value will be reduced. That's why you have to what? Use this center value. Right? Suppose you are getting 2 value here. 2 value if you get means you assume highest one. Here highest one assume means it will be easy, right? So now here 50, a equal to 50. Assumed mean is what? 50 you take. Let a equal to what? 50. Assumed mean, that is okay. Now xi means this is only xi. 10 minus 50 how much? Minus 40. Okay, 10 minus 50. Then 30 minus 50 is minus 20. Right? Okay. Then again 50 minus 50 0. 50 minus 50 0. Okay. Then 70 minus 50 20. Clear? Then 90 minus what? 50 40. 40 you will get. Okay. Now both you have to multiply. That is very important. Both you have to multiply. Okay. Both you have to multiply. So that means this and this multiply. Minus 120. Okay. Minus 100. Here what 0. You see center value getting 0. Right. Here 24 means 240. Correctly how to what multiply. Okay, you should not multiply xi, fi into di. In the formula you have fi into di. Okay, that's why these two multiply. Now 10 into 40, 400. Okay, now these two add first. Then these two add. That is minus it is. Minus how much? 3, 220. This one minus 640. Now sorry, 640. Then add means 640, 220. 0 to 420. 420 is what? Positive. Okay. Plus only big. So positive. 420 you write. Now this total not required. This total not required. Okay. The denominator is sigma fi. So this total is required. This total you put how much you will get? 8, 20, 40. Right. 20 and 20, 40. 40 will get. Now you write the formula. That is x bar equal to what 50 plus this one 420 sigma fi di is 420 by sigma fi is 40. So cut it. So 50 plus in 4 table, how much will go? That is 42 4 table 1 time 0 0.20 means 5, right? So 10.5. So the mean is 60.5. Mean is 60.5. Understand? So like this easily we can what do find out the mean by using asymptotic mean method. Clear? Like this easily we can find out the mean by using asymptotic mean method. Okay. When the values are high, okay, use this method means easily we can. Another method also there is step deviation method, that is called shortcut method. I will teach in the next part. Clear? So first you learn this two method. Clear? You practice the two method, that is direct method and the asymptotic mean method. Clear? Asymptotic mean method. I will give some problem. Homework. Do the homework. Okay. Do the homework. First you do the class work. Okay. Practice the class work. Then you do the homework for better practice. Okay.